How's it going, guys? David's Fix here. Welcome to another Technical Thursday, where it's not Thursday, but it will be technical. Today we're going to be talking about the whole kill switch shifting thing. I've made a video about it, and a lot of people have been asking a lot of questions, so I want to kind of go through the most common ones. And that is, how does it work? Will it hurt your bike? And did my dad really leave to get milk? The way it works is actually very simple. So every time you press the clutch to change gears inside your transmission, when the gears are engaged, you have dog gears that are pushing against each other like this, and they're spinning, and that's spinning a wheel. So every time you press the clutch, you release that tension, and that allows it to move, and you can change gears. So every time, for example, you clutchless shift and you're accelerating, you let go of the gas, you release that tension, and you can clutchless shift. When you hit that kill switch, it does literally the same thing. It just releases that tension and you can shift. Will it hurt your bike? Short answer is probably not. On older bikes like this, they have a very simple electrical system where, for example, this kill switch only supplies power to the starter motor and the ignition coil. So every time you turn the kill switch off, you're cutting power to the starter motor and the ignition coil. So there's nothing else. There's no computers involved. There's nothing. It's very simple. It's very basic. That's why it works so well. On more modern bikes where you might have an ECU or maybe multiple ECUs actually, it might be that kill switch is actually supplying power to the whole ECU, and it might not like being turned on and off repeatedly like that. It might actually throw you a fault code at worst, but it won't particularly hurt your bike. So you're not going to throw a piston into the stratosphere. You're not going to turn your gearbox into Legos by kill switch shifting. It doesn't work like that. You're not hurting it. The only way you can hurt it is if you're putting a lot of tension into shifting. That's what breaks transmissions a lot of the time, is people really slamming their gear levers and bending forks and that kind of stuff. That's what really hurts it. And not servicing it properly, of course. And that brings us to the end of today's Technical Thursday, where it wasn't technically Thursday, but it was technical. Leave a like, subscribe, follow. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later, alligator. Bye.